The 3D Experience platform provides an array of tools to meet your design needs. One of these is in the 3D Pattern Creator role with the new XGenerative design app. This app provides a robust and flexible solution for complex designs that would be very difficult and time-consuming with traditional modeling techniques alone. It can be used for complex shapes that range in size from handheld items to full-scale buildings. Much of the 3D modeling workflows that designers are used to are available, such as parametric sketching, extruding, and even thickening surfaces. For this coffee cup sleeve, I want some variation in the thickness to create some texture for gripping, as well as a nice aesthetic. I'll need some granular options, and dividing this surface into subdivisions is a good place to start. Next, I'll move into the graph display. The graph display is a user interface that utilizes a scripting approach to modeling. This grants a lot of power to control and customize pattern features. Inputs and outputs are visibly connected with nodes to show exactly how all the parameters fit together. As I alluded to earlier, I want the individual sections of this coffee sleeve to be thickened to various depths. However, I don't really need or want to do them individually. So first I'll insert some operators to get a list of the different sections. Values that were used in the creation of features can be extrapolated and reused. For instance, I essentially have a rectangular grid of sections on the cylindrical face. So I'll take those two values, multiply them, and generate the total number of extrusion lengths I need. After applying the random operator to create a distribution of lengths, I'll feed that information back into the thicken command. And you can see in the model space that our sleeve now has different thicknesses for the faces. Back in the 3D view, I'll apply a bit of color. You can always switch back and forth between the graph and the model to make changes. As with all of the apps on the platform, cloud computing makes changes all but instantaneous. With XGenerative design, you can quickly generate simple or non-regular shapes and patterns for your most unique design ideas.